Good morning. Today is my Blue update, and we are celebrating for our little volunteer, Miss Little Luna Doris Gardi, and she's invited all the street children outside from the subdivision. So they're very happy, and also we are very happy because we also give t-shirt for a sponsor. We share the t-shirt for Luna and to give to those children, street children.
TV niya sa kumakita. Ang sample niya, shout out.
Do you understand? Yes! Are you okay? Yes! Okay. First. Oh yeah, kini una. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5.
Si birthday yun na.
Because they think Eric they get a new wait, sa likod madulong.
Ay, pagaliw. Imong walang binan, imong mama di.
Napanisodong. Para asa man na?
Sayang mama. Ako asa na
Niya dong subrag yung. Ano man mo ni gihurot? Para asa ni?
mama.
Ihatag sa imong.
Mama.
Very good. He said, I'm just asking that they still have a food left on the lunch pack, and then he said, because I wanted to save it for my mother.
Good, very good boy.
Good boy.